Located just over an hour west of Edinburgh, Scotland's capital, lies the vibrant city of Glasgow. Originally a modest fishing village, Glasgow evolved into a major seaport during the industrial era, its impact spreading worldwide. This city, built on the wealth of maritime trade, boasts architectural wonders, lush parks, and impressive modern structures. Yet, the locals of Glasgow take great pride in their industrial roots and celebrate their heritage alongside the city's newfound elegance and grandeur. To explore Glasgow's unique blend of style and personality, visit George Square, the heart of the city. Here, you can witness a sunrise surrounded by statues and plaques honoring the city's most significant historical figures, serving as a cherished time capsule of its rich history. A short walk southwest from here leads to the city's modern art gallery. This building, once the residence of a wealthy tobacco merchant, may look aged from the outside, but inside, it's a hub of contemporary art. At the entrance of the gallery, you'll find the Duke of Wellington, mounted on his loyal horse. The Scottish people, known for their lightheartedness, often add their own flair to the Duke's attire, making it a tradition. To truly immerse yourself in Glasgow's lively culture, join the parade on Buchanan Street. This area is a haven for the finest shopping, architecture, and the city's quirky elements. Glasgow's shopping district, located just a mile away, is a treasure trove of luxury stores, architectural gems, and unique local finds. The imposing spires of Glasgow Cathedral, dating back to the 12th century, have served as backdrops for period dramas and are a must-see for those interested in history. Behind the cathedral, you'll find Glasgow Necropolis, an old Victorian cemetery. It's the final resting place for over 50,000 individuals, offering a serene view of the city. A short drive from the city center, you'll discover Bothwell Castle, a remnant of a tumultuous past. Originally constructed in the 13th century, the castle was embroiled in a long-standing conflict with England and played a pivotal role in Scotland's fight for independence. While battles raged for centuries at Bothwell, today's conflicts are fought at Hampden Park, the national soccer stadium, showcasing Scotland's passion for football. Home to more than 90 parks and gardens, Glasgow is aptly named the Deer Green Place in Galicia. Despite the unpredictable weather, these green spaces are always teeming with cherry blossoms. Take in the city views at Queen's Park and step into a tropical oasis at the Display House and Nursery.